Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Maria Daily English. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey there. Great to see you all again.
Today we are solving one of the most confusing pairs in English, do vs make.
Yes. Many learners say a make homework or a do a cake, which sounds very strange to native speakers.
So, what is the simple rule?
Here it is. Use a do for actions, tasks, and jobs. Use a make for creating, producing, or building something new.
Okay, let's start with do. When do we use it?
We use a do for general activities, especially work or household chores. For example, a do the laundry, a do the dishes, a do your homework, a do business.
So if it's a task or routine activity, I use do.
Exactly. Also, we use a do for general, non-specific actions. Like, a what are you doing? Or I'm doing nothing.
Got it. Now, what about make?
Make is for creating something that didn't exist before. For example, a make a cake, or a make a phone call, or a make a plan, or a make money.
So if I am producing a result or an object, I use make.
Correct. Think of it as construction. You make your bed, arrange it. You make a noise, produce sound. You make your mistake, create an error.
Let's test this. I'll make sentences, and you correct me. Sentence 1, I need to do some shopping.
Correct. Shopping is an activity or task.
Sentence 2, can you make me a favor?
Wrong. It's a fixed expression. We say, do me a favor. Because it's an action, a help, not creating an object.
R, tricky. Sentence 3, she makes her bed every morning.
Perfect. She is arranging or creating a tidy bed.
Sentence 4, did you do the right choice?
Incorrect. A choice is a result, decision. So it must be a make. Correct. Did you make the right choice?
This is helping a lot. Let's try a natural conversation. Maria, what did you do yesterday?
First, I did the cleaning. Then, I made lunch for my family.
Sounds busy. Did you make any mistakes while cooking?
Har har. Yes. I made too much salt in the soup. But we ate it anyway. What about you?
I did some exercise in the morning. Then I made a few phone calls for work. Later, I did some reading.
See how we used both? Did the cleaning, exercise, or reading, activities, and a made lunch, calls, mistakes, creations, results.
Quick review, use do for tasks, jobs, and general actions. Use make for creating, producing, or results.
Memory trick. Do equals duty or task. Make equals manufacture or create.
Common mistakes to avoid, don't say make homework, say do homework. Don't say do a decision, say make a decision. Don't say do noise, say make noise.
Practice tip. When you learn a new verb, check if it's a do a collocation or it make a collocation. Keep a list.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria Daily English, and share it with a friend who mixes these up.
And practice time. In the comments, write one sentence with a do and one with a make. We'll read and correct every single comment.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, small fixes lead to big improvements.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.